Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to show you the offerings from my other Etsy store called Sage Sticker Company. These are all digital download stickers that you can cut by hand, cut on your Cricut, and being that they're PNG files, I believe they work on silhouette cutting machines too. So the first thing that I have changed up a little bit is last month I released the month and year stickers. Well, these are a little smaller, and there's no numbers on the sheet, so there's two different sizes. This one has 4, this one has 3, and the reason that I released these is because now my new stickers do not come with a month. So this is the month of July, so you can put July here. You could use this for May, for Memorial Day. You could use this for September, for Labor Day. I just wanted to give you more of a variety so that you can buy this one kit and you could use it actually for 3 months. And then you just buy this file and you use the months on here. I'm going to put July because this is what I'm using this one for. And then you just take the months and put them on here. And there's actually, the other ones are bigger. There's another listing from last month where they're even bigger, if you prefer that versus these smaller ones. I think I'm going to put this on here. And then, that goes on the top left side and the top right side of the A5. I make the stickers for the A5 size. It works in all the A5 planners. So it has the headers with the days of the week, and then red and kind of a grayish blue and dark blue box stickers that fit in the boxes, and then you get 6 pieces of washi and then some decor. So that's for July. Oh, this one I've used already. And then these stickers for the first week of July, I have used them. I have a past video on how to use my new journaling stickers. That's what these are. So that's why some of them are off here, because I've used them to show you. So if you want to see what that listing is, you can either go to Sage Sticker Company on Etsy, or you can go back a few videos to the, I'll have it linked in the description, the one that I suggest how to use these stickers in your Daily Duo or in any other planners that you may have. They're pretty versatile. You'll see as I go on full sheets of these what they actually look like. But so this is for the first week. The theme was like a red, white, and blue floral. Move these out of the way too so they're not distracting. And then also each week comes with a different theme. I kind of try to keep the colors coordinating in the month. I think July I didn't so much because I wanted to get the red, white, and blue in. But now these are more brighter colors that I've been doing for July. So this is a page that you can use on that blank page that comes before the week, kind of like in the Daily Duo, kind of like for a weekly overview. It's got the Monday through Sunday, a little habit tracker, and then a little brain dumper note section. And this is just one big sticker. And so you'll stick that on your full notebook page, full line page that comes in there. So the theme for this week is more of like a color swatch. And again, I have no month up there, but you can take these. I prefer the little ones for these. And you can put, this is for the compact vertical. Put your July sticker on there. On here, anywhere you like it. If you want to put them all on one side, you can, because then you get to see the nice colors. So that just would go on here, but you could use this for any month you want with having these stickers also. So now on this one's, it's a little interesting. I have 2 different ones that you get. I made this one first, and then I thought it needed a little more, so I added these black swishes to it, kind of along the inspiration of the Edivi. But I give you both, because whichever one you prefer, or you can use them both, whatever you want to do. But this is the compact vertical one listing for 1 week, whichever week you prefer. And then here is the journaling kit that matches that compact vertical kit. You have the days of the week, This box goes along with another sheet of full boxes, so you get 7 of those for on the bottom of the A5 Daily Duo. Now these I do have 7 stickers that say dinner because that's what I like to put. I write my dinner in each week for menu planning, but you also get additional size boxes, and then you get the smaller boxes, 3 of the bigger boxes, and then this decor, which these are color swatches. I don't know if you can see, there's like a white outline of a flower, just a very soft flower in each one of these. And then you have the coordinating boxes with more decor, and then home and work stickers, because I like to divide. When I use the Daily Duo, I divide part of it to home tasks and part of it to work tasks. So I thought that might be helpful for other people too. And then this is a full sheet of journaling decor along with the to-do stickers to replace the to-do on the top if you want to change the font. So these are just like kind of a torn paper look in 6 different pieces. And then you have some swatches, then washi tape, and then more of these circles with the swatch and the floral. Okay, and then the next week that I have available is a beach theme. So this one has this beach background. It's kind of faint so that you can write on it. And again, the 7 days of the week, the brain dump, the habit tracker. This is for the week ahead, week at a glance, whatever you want to call it, for on that blank page that goes prior to the Daily Duo week. So then this is the compact vertical. And again, it needs a month up there, and that's why with this being helpful, having that there's 3 on here, you can have another choice to have another one without having to print another sheet. I'm gonna put this one over here. You can put them wherever you want. And then these strips go across the top, and here's the dates to fill in for those. Boxes, boxes, boxes. This I put down on the bottom, and I usually put to pay. I put my bills down there, but you could put important reminders. You can put a remember. It's got some decor, and then these strips go along the 2 lines on the compact vertical to change that dividing of the 2 pages. And then this one starts the journaling or Daily Duo. So it's got the numbers, it's got the date or day of the week headers, the small boxes, the medium boxes, the dinner boxes, and the decor, the bigger boxes, and then the box for on the bottom, which this one's green, these are blue, but you know, you can mix match them. You can use that one for Sunday since it's the odd day out. And then this sheet has the work and home, the decor, and some extra boxes. And then this is the journaling sheet that goes with that. I really think this one's cute. The bright yellow washi, torn, the swatches, and lots of decor, bigger decor this time, and your to-dos again. I'll just move this over here. Okay, and then the next week is a camping theme. Camping and beach kind of theme. This one I just did in kind of like a, not black and white, but black and gray, just the doodled background. And then here is the compact vertical, which again, I need to put my July on there. Where did I leave these? Over here, I got them all mixed up. So let's grab another July and another year. And this one is going to go, I think, right here. And this one's going to go right there. And that's the 2 headers, and then these are the days of the week. Here's the divider for in between. It's got the little campers and some polka dots. This one has red numbers to put up there with the red days of the week and all the boxes and the memo box for on the bottom. And then here is the days of the week with the numbers, journaling kit, the dinners, the extra, and the decor. Kind of like the same format each time, it's just the decor is different. And again, this one's yellow. You can use it on Sunday, kind of a creamy yellow. And these are blue with the home and the work and some more smaller decor and some different colored boxes. And here is a journaling page. I like this one too. These are so cute. And the to-dos. And then the final week for July This one is some hand-drawn florals, kind of, again, with the beach, the water kind of theme, nature kind of theme for July. And, yeah, I drew these, didn't I? I believe I did. It was so long ago, I don't remember. But here is the Week at the Glance sticker for that blank page. And then we get to the compact vertical, and let's add our last July in there to have it ready. Put this one, I think we'll put this one on here, and then maybe stick this one in. Trying to find a blank spot, maybe right there. And again, the boxes, blues and greens, the box for the bottom, the tape for the dividing, white numbers, and the 3 scripts. And here is the journaling page, the headers with the numbers. This box matches this box. The dinner, these are all blues in here, blue boxes. Home and work, the floral decor. I like this one a lot. And here's the journaling. This one, really pretty blues and greens. And a little bit of that creamy color on the background for the leaves. Some more over here, some all blue swatches. Cute. Cute if I do say so myself. And I'm looking forward to using these for July. Now I don't know, maybe we can just, I can't even show this one. I can do this one. Let's lay these out here. This one, that one. Let's do all the compact verticals just to give you a look. That theme. And we gotta get our color one in there. These kind of go together, and then we got this fun, colorful one, which is where? Must be over here. This pile. Where are you? We'll add this one in there. This one's like bright and colorful. It kind of goes with that one. Yeah, this one kind of stands out on its own. Be a rebel. I just figured this is a nice one to go with the Inspire, and with the new planner starting in July, this would be a fun kit to add to that. We'll just stick that one under here. So there you go, there's July. Until next month, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.